Welcome to ToonTots Academy, where learning meets fun! In a world so green and bright, three heroes shining with their light. Terra, Bloom, and Spike are here, saving plants from danger near. Super gross heroes, here we go, saving the world, don't you know? Terra strong and Bloom can fly, Spike shoots thorns up in the sky. Super gross heroes save the day. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Gardens green and flowers bright, rivers blue and birds in flight, children playing, laughing free. This is where we love to be. Super gross heroes, here we go, saving the world, don't you know? Terra strong and Bloom can fly, Spike shoots thorns up in the sky. Super gross heroes save the day. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
But one dark day the sky turned gray, the trees all started to decay. Something evil, something wrong, the darkness came and spread so long.
Dr. Pollution raised his hand. He said, I will destroy this land. Toxic smoke and poison rain. He wanted to cause so much pain.
Robots came from everywhere, toxic clouds filled up the air. The world was turning dark and gray, but heroes would not run away.
Super grass heroes rising up, fighting for the world, never stop. Terra's shield is shining bright, Bloom is healing with her light. Spike is fast like lightning too, super grass heroes breaking through. Bloom was falling from the sky, the toxic cloud was way too high. Terra caught her, held her tight. Don't give up, we will win this fight. Grandma Plant once said to us, together we are strong, no fuss. When you fight as one, you see, you are strong as one big tree.
Terra grabbed her friend so tight, they closed their eyes and held on right. The ground was shaking, nature called, together they would never fall.
Super grass heroes, one last fight. Nature power burning bright. Green light rising from the ground. The strongest blast without a sound. Glacier blast. Save the world at last. Super grass heroes save the day. Dr. Pollution. The poison faded, sun came back. The beautiful world got back on track. Gardens bloomed and rivers gleamed. The world was better than we dreamed. Super grass heroes, here we go, saving the world, don't you know? Terra strong and Bloom can fly. Spike shoots thorns up in the sky. Super grass heroes save the day. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! We did it! We did it! Yes, we did! Super grass heroes every day. Hip hip hooray! Supergrass heroes save the day.
If you want to save this earth, show every plant its special worth. Water them and let them grow. Together we can put on a show.
Supergrass heroes